If you work from home, you already know the absolute daily struggle of trying to stay focused while dealing with constant interruptions from the people you live with, but a popular hacking gadget company might have just created the ultimate solution. You probably know the London-based company Flipper Devices for their wildly popular Flipper Zero, that little orange and white Tamagotchi-looking gadget that hackers and tinkerers use to mess around with Bluetooth, radio frequency identification, near-field communication, and sub-1 GHz radio frequencies. Well, they are taking a massive pivot and heading straight into the productivity market with a brand new gadget called the Busy Bar. This thing is specifically designed to help you set physical timers, lock distracting applications on your phone, and display custom messages on a bright light-emitting diode screen, so everyone knows exactly when you are in the zone. They actually teased this device last year, but it is finally going on open sale next month, and it is packed with some seriously cool hardware. Picture a retro modern desk clock covered in satisfying tactile knobs and buttons. The front features a vibrant 72 by 16 matrix display that can hit up to 400 nits of peak brightness, supports 16 million colors, and even has an ambient light sensor to adjust itself automatically so it does not blind you in a dark room. Spin it around, and the back has a sneaky little monochrome screen showing your battery life, active timers, and connection status, which is genius because you can check your time even if the main screen is facing away from you towards your annoying roommates. It also packs a tiny side speaker for custom notification sounds, dedicated mode switch, a start and stop button, and a scroll wheel to easily navigate menus. Under the hood, it connects via wireless internet, Bluetooth, and regular universal serial bus connections, all powered by a beefy 3,250 mAh battery that gives you 8 hours of continuous active use or 2 solid weeks of standby time. Plus, if you plug it into a 15-watt adapter, the whole thing charges in just 1 hour. The core philosophy here is simple. You throw up a message to physically signal to others that you are deep in a task, or you can run strict focus timers to force your own brain to concentrate. Flipper is rolling out companion applications for Apple and Android mobile devices and Apple desktop computers with a Microsoft Windows version coming soon. These applications are deeply integrated, meaning you can actually lock yourself out of social media on your phone while the timer is running. On desktop systems, it even hooks into your microphone status, so the bar automatically flashes on-call warning, and mutes all your computer notifications the second you join a video meeting or hit record on a stream. If you are into smart homes, this thing is fully Matter certified, which is a massive deal. It means you can link it with Amazon, Apple, or Google ecosystems to trigger automations, like dimming your office lights the second you start a focus timer. True to their hacker roots, Flipper is keeping the firmware totally open, giving developers full access to hypertext transfer protocol application programming interfaces, message queuing telemetry transport protocols, whole and official Python and TypeScript libraries to build whatever custom widgets they want. If you are fast enough to join the waitlist, the first 3,000 units will cost $199, but after that, price jumps to $249. Shipping officially kicks off on July 14th for folks in the United States, Europe, the United Kingdom, and Canada. And they are already planning cool accessories, like wall mounts and custom switches.